Welcome to Magic. Practice set questions. Question 6. Y to the power minus 5 equals to 1024. We have to find out the value of y. So this one here is y to the power minus 5 equals to this 1024. We can write 2 to the power 10, but here no base are similar, either power or base. This case, what can we do? This case we can make fifth root. It means like take the fifth root or raise both sides to the power of 1 by 5. It means we can write y to the power, here is minus 5 times 1 by 5 equal, same thing, here is 2 to the power 10 times 1 by 5. And we can write like this. A side note, take the fifth root. Fifth root means like this. Fifth root x, it means x to the power 1 by 5, right? So take the fifth root or raise both side of the power of 1 divide 5. It means both side we are raising 1 by 5. Now look, this 5 and this 5 out, 10 divide 5, it's 2, right? Now what is the answer? Like this, y to the power minus 1 equals to 2 square. Now it means 1 by y equals to 4, and for simple thing we can write this one 4y equals to 1. So y equals to 1 by 4, and this is our answer. Very simple. So number 6, answer is 1 by 4, which is number E. I hope you cleared this one. So number 6 done. Number 7, 2 to the power minus n equals to 1 divide 256. We are trying to find the value of n. So it's a simple thing. First, this is 2 to the power minus n equals to, here 1 divide this 2 to the power 256, we can write 2 to the power 8, right? So here is 2 to the power minus n equals to, as per negative exponent we know 1 by a to the power n equals to a to the power minus n. Similar, 1 by 2 to the power 8 will become 2 to the power minus 8. Now look, here base are same. We know once base are same, it means a to the power m equals to a to the power n. It means m equals to n. So here base are same, so we can write minus n equals to minus 8. That means once we are multiplying both sides by minus 1, it will be n equals to 8, and this is our answer, which is n equals to 8. So we can write 8. Number 7 done. Number 8, this is very interesting. How? Look, 8, here is root x equals to 4a square b c to the power 3. We will find the value of x. So it's a very simple thing. We can squaring both sides. It means root x square equals to 4a square b c to the power 3 square. Now look, root and square will out. So here is x equals to 4 square, it means 16, a square, it means a to the power 4, b square, and c cube square, it means 2 to the power c to the power 6, right? And this is our answer. So which one is similar? 16, here all 3 16, a to the power 4 3, here is, so number c d e out. Now here is a to the power 4 b square c to the power 6. It means number b is our correct answer. Number 9, 8 to the power 12 equals to 2 to the power x. We will find out the value of what? X. So first, this one we can write like this 8, we can write 2 to the power 3 and here times 12, and here is 2 to the power x. So it's a very simple thing. 2 to the power 3 times 12 is a 36 equals to 2 to the power x, right? So we can say where base are same, so power will be equal. It means 36 equal x. So which is our correct answer? Here is number 9, D is our right answer, which is 36. So number 9 done. Number 10, c to the power 2 by 5 equals to 4. Nice math. So what can we do? We have to find out the value of c. So c 2 by 5, so we have to omit this 1 by 5. So we can raise both sides to the power of 5. So it means c 2 by 5 times 5 equals to what? Equals to 4 to the power 5, right? This one we can write. So we can write in here, raise both sides what? Both sides to the power 5. So here 5 and 5 out. So here is c square, and here this 4 we can write 2 square and times 5. It means what? It means 2 to the power 10. But here we can do one thing, which we can square both sides, or we can write like this, c square equals to here 2 to the power 5 to the power 2. Now look, both power are equal. It means c equals to 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 means 32. This is our answer. Number 11. Here is 9 to the power 4x and 27 to the power 3 x. So we need to simplify this one. How? We can write this 9 3 square, right? 3 square and times here is 4x. Similar, this 27 we can write 3 cube and here is times 3x. Now what will happen in here? 3 to the power 2 times 4x, it means 8x, and here is 3 to the power 3x times 3, it means 9x. Now here 3 and 3 both base are same. In division, what can we do? In division we know the power will be subtract, so we can write like 1 divide 3 to the power 9x minus 8x, it means 1 divide 3 to the power x. So it's a simple thing. We know a to the power m divide a to the power n. We can write a to the power m minus n, or we can write 1 by a to the power n minus m. Anything you can use, so we are using this one. So our answer is 1 divide 3 to the power x, so which is number B. Number 12. Which of the following is equal to 5 to the power 8x? So here is lots of option, like number 1, 5 to the power 4x whole to the power 4. What does mean? It means 5 to the power 4x times 4 equals to 5 to the power 16x. So it's not correct. Number 2, 5 to the power 4x to the power 2. So this one we can write 5 to the power 4x times 2. It means 5 to the power 4 times 2, it means 8x. So this one is correct. Number 3, 5 to the power 4x times 5 to the power what? 5 to the power 4x. It means this is same thing. It means 5 to the power 4x whole square. So this one also become like this. So this one is correct. So number 2 and 3 correct. 2 and 3 correct. It means our correct answer is number E. Okay. So interesting math and very simple math. Number 13. This one also very interesting and important. Here n cube is greater or equal n square. Now if n equals to 1, it means 1 cube. It should, look, if n equals to 1, it's right. What do you think? N cube less equal, or we can say, right, look, n cube, it means if n equals to 1, then 1 cube, it means 1. N square, 1 square equals to 1. So what do you think? Is it true? N cube, it's equal, right? N cube and n square is equal if n equals to 1. So it's not less or greater. So it's a wrong thing. Same, n equals to 0, then n cube equals to 0, n square also equals to 0. So it's not less or greater. So it's a incorrect. What about n equals to minus 1. Look, n cube, it means minus 1 cube, it means minus 1, right? Then n square equals to what? 1 minus 1 square, it will become plus 1. So what do you think? Here this one also equal, but as condition here is less or equal sign, this is equal sign, so as condition we can say number 1 and 2 right. So which one is 1 and 2? Number D. Okay, so no more today. Thank you very much for being with me. Powers and radicals, we are starting this video from last episode where we had completed 1 to 5, and this video I am trying to solve 6 to 13, which all are very important. Please subscribe my channel, which is Math Jeep. You will get lots of things from this channel. Thank you.